Hi, Louis in the UK. So I'm getting ready to do the welding. So I'm probably going to start, maybe even tomorrow. We're still in lockdown, by the way. Let's try and get a broader look. It's a bit dark. So the worst part of this whole car underneath is that there, which I think is quite easy because the sides are rock solid, so a plate there will be easy. Now this is a slightly different story, this part, because obviously one part is bolted to the beam. It's rock solid, but there's some holes in it. I'll show it from behind in a minute. This is obviously the same on the other corner. But it is actually rock solid. It's just this corner, as you can see, is seen much better days. I know the beam's held on by 4 bolts, which are rock solid. It's just that one, that all needs to be welded in nicely. Here, the bottom, and slightly at the back, this speedo cable needs to be moved. And then you've got the same problem. Let me just come over here. Oops. Let's have a look, see if we can get some light on it. Here. Again, this is solid, but you can't see that well. But you've got a hole here, and then the back section is missing. I'm going to try and get. You need a big L plate here, even a bit at the side here, where the metal's gone a bit too thin. So let me try and get you a view of it. It's pretty rank. So we need a plate here. Oh, ideally just one plate. That's going to wrap round there, here, so I can weld it all round. This torsion bar is going to have to come off. Yeah. And that's it. Oh yeah, I've already shown you this bit. So it's pretty ugly. I'm going to scrape it all back and try and, let's get further back here so I can get you a better view of it. Oh, that's better. I'm going to scrape it all back. Scrape all this back. Rust cure it as well. The dogs are being annoying. Go back over here. This side. Probably look better when I watch it on video. Where are we? So believe it or not, and then the other bad bit is got some holes around the beam. So that needs clearing out as well. Oh, there we are, let's get it back here. Pretty nasty. Quite a lot of work. I'll put some nice strong metal around there. Clean out all the debris on the inside of it. This side's right, but this beam is rock solid. It's like, could last 100 years if it was repaired properly. So if you want to try and see, just see underneath. The central section is very good. Had loads of repairs. The seals have been, on one side is a new seal, the other side has been repaired. The main bits that run along have been done. That's been done. When you get to around the engine area, it's all rock solid. So shall I quickly go look at the engine area? Oh. There's one. I'm going to get dirty. Let's have a look. So underneath here, all pretty good. It has had some repairs, but it's pretty good. Yeah? Let's see from that angle. See? Pretty good. You can't really see much from there. Oh, there you go. That's obviously the engine. But the floors are all rock solid. Let me go around the other side. There you go. All pretty good. I'm going to reconnect. Let's have a little look at that. I'm going to reconnect the heating. So those little pipes there. See that bit there? Surface rust, but it's rock solid. I definitely want to reconnect the heating. See the pipe down the middle is missing. It's got a really good engine, this car as well. Right, one more look. This bit. See, look, you've got a. This has been replaced, so you can't see the light's not right. That's been replaced. That's been replaced. That's been replaced. Oh. See, it's really good underneath here. So it isn't all bad. Let's see if we can see the heaters again. There's the start. Let's see if we can look at the start. Starter motor, which looks like it's been replaced. Let's look at the heater again. Ooh. Heater boxes are good on it. The cables are there as well. We just need to connect up the cables. There's the fuel. Okay, so that's it really. I think it's seeing left now. Oh, there's a little bit of a, and that's been repaired above. See that bit? That's been repaired above it. We've had a few floor repairs. Okay, and all for my lovely VW T2 1970 early bay. I'm going to put it away now, it's too cold.